Tineco A11 Hero is perfect for getting the cleaning done efficiently and effectively. The innovative motor delivers 120 watt of deep cleaning power, with attachments suitable for carpets, upholstered surfaces, or hard surfaces. It is powerful enough to remove hidden dirt and make short work of large debris, from a light dusting to stubborn messes cleaning. The A11 Hero tackles them easily with 3 power modes. Suction modes I and II are suitable for daily cleaning tasks, while cleaning stubborn dirt is made a breeze in max mode, with up to 40 minutes of interrupted runtime. It's ideal for cleaning large spaces in one session. You won't have to wait and recharge. Use the power brush for deep cleaning, mini power brush for delicate surfaces, 2-in-1 dusting brush for gentle cleaning, and Crevice Tool for hard-to-reach spaces. It's lightweight and incredibly easy to maneuver. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. LED Headlights Illuminate Dark Corners. Never miss a dirty spot with the LED Multitasker Power Brush. The front LED headlights to illuminate the surfaces ahead so you have a clearer view of which place is clean and which is not. Number 2. Trigger or Continuous Power Mode. Trigger mode. Trigger and hold onto the power button to pick up debris for instant cleaning. Continuous Power Mode. Press and then release the trigger so you can clean the whole house without tiring your hands. Number 3. Ultra Quiet Operation. The brushless motor and airflow engineering provide a quiet operation that makes this ideal for using around children or pets. No more worries about disturbing the family when using the vacuum. Number 4. Detachable Power Battery Pack. A detachable 2500 mAh lithium battery provides up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted runtime. Great for cleaning the whole home. The detachable design also allows you to buy one more battery pack if needed. Number 5. 50% Larger Dustbin One-Touch-Empty. The 0.6-liter dustbin capacity means you can clean longer with less interruption. Empty dustbin with a single touch of a button. The whole dustbin as well as internal components are detachable and washable. Number 6. Wall Mount Dock Plus Sleek Modern Design, featuring a crystal clear body and modern design. The A11 Hero vacuum is ideal for contemporary spaces. The wall mount dock makes charging and storage easier than ever. Number 7. Portable Handheld Vac. Converts to a lightweight portable handheld vacuum for use anywhere. Includes power brush, mini power brush, 2-in-1 dusting brush, and Crevice Tool for versatile cleaning. Cleaning hard-to-reach areas are made easier. Number 8. Long run time. A detachable high-performance battery delivers up to 40 minutes uninterrupted runtime. Estimated runtime data was obtained by a Tineco laboratory using one battery and non-motorized accessories. Ideal for large jobs and full house cleaning. The innovative brushless motor is quiet, making it suitable for everyday use around children and pets, no matter how long you clean. Number 9. Advanced Design. Thoughtful features include front LED lights for lighting up dark spots and cleaning accessories to effectively remove pet hair with ease. The vacuum is lightweight and compact so you can maneuver up and down stairs, under and behind furniture, with just one hand. Number 10. Better cleaning results. 4-stage, fully sealed filtration system captures fine particles, including dust and pollens down to 0.3 micron size. A healthier and better clean. Expels cleaner air to your home. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does anyone know if it's necessary to fully discharge the battery before recharging? I don't want to ruin the batteries if I recharge too often. Answer. It is not necessary to fully discharge the battery before recharging. Question number 2. Will work 240 voltage? Answer. Yes. Our vacuum can be used on AC 100-240 voltage. Question number 3. Does this Tineco A11 Hero cordless vacuum comes with 2 batteries out of the box? Answer. The Tineco A11 Hero comes with 1 battery only. The 1 battery runs up to 40 minutes and has 3 power modes to suit any task. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.